I'm gonna teach you guys a few cool tricks on how when I wire these things, like how I tell the difference apart. Always when you want to show somebody stuff never wants to cooperate. It's always the truth. So like, you know, on a trailering harness, so you got your yellow and your green. So I don't know if you know the way to tell those apart, but yellow has an L and green has an R. So yellow would be left and green would be right. So it's similar to a thing on Hondas. So it's got the orange and the blue, except for it's exactly the opposite. That's the funny part. So blue, being it has an L, would be your right, and orange would be left because it has an R. So we're getting ready to do our first power up on her, wiring everything up. I'm gonna be testing a few things out, so take a look at what we're doing. I'm gonna hook the battery up and then probably come back live. Brr. All right, we're gonna do the first key turn. Hopefully we don't see any fires. So no smoke, no fires. Make sure charge on the battery. Oh, hey. We got one thing working. So we do have battery working. So I want to check these markers. Come up here with me, actually. See if you wanna hang out up here. Yeah, those are metal. Let's get you boys out here. Oh. Like a ninja. I don't know why I said like a ninja, but I don't know what ninjas do. All right, so we know that we only have the key on, so I should only have markers. I know El Grino over here. These are put on by the guy I got the harness from, but I'm just trying to sort out what's on the harness. So if we go back to what we said earlier, orange would be right and blue would be left. And see, I messed it up. So orange is left, blue is right because it's backwards. So I'm assuming black on here is going to be my ground. And we want the dimmer one of the two to actually be the one that lights up on this marker. So we're just going to mess with blue. I think it's the blue with the white is going to be my marker. Yeah, see, we got a light right there. That's dim, that's bright. So that's going to be markers. Now just for shits and giggles, I need to go in. I just go into orange and white. I turn on both. All right, we're gonna go into the blue. Now it's blinking like that because I don't have the back one in. That's all still good. All right, so the white stripes, we've learned something. So white stripes are the actual markers. White stripes are markers. The rear tail light's gonna get integrated. So let's go back here and check out what we got going on. I'll show you guys that. So we had a little ground issue, but we got them working back here in the back too. So now we at least know how we're gonna wire up the rear. We got markers, we got tails. Yeah, actually, I gotta fix the marker real quick. Hold on. Hi. There we go. So we got a rear marker, and our rear tail light is gonna be, so the rear tail light in this actually goes up and under, and you can see it's only got marker, the ground, and brake. So I can't put turn signals in there, it'll only show one, but it goes right up underneath there. So it actually fits super clean. You'll see it from the rear. So let me show you how bright this thing is. Let me turn the key off. Always when you want to show somebody stuff never wants to cooperate. It's always the truth. And that's just the marker. And I want to get that so it's super bright. I want to use it so they're turn signals too. Let me see if I can rig it up so you guys can see it back in the back. Give me a second. Alright, let me show you what I kind of envisioned for the tail light. See that right there? When you come back at a distance, then it looks cool like that. So that's my thought process on it. We got it mounted. Tomorrow I'll do some more chopping. I gotta find a 5-pin connector so I can wire that in, you know, male, female. That's what I'm working on, and we'll talk to you here in a second. Wow. All right, we're gonna head on a parts run over to O'Reilly's. Cruise over there real quick and see if they got what I'm looking for. Well, no luck on a connector, and probably have to go hit them up tomorrow. I'm gonna go hit up Napa and stuff like that, see if they got it. But I hope you guys have a great day, and we're gonna call it a night and head back to the bus. So I love you guys, and I hope you have fun. Wow.